Alright guys, this is a flat trail. It's slow, trying to get these boys out of their comfort zone. And this is really for beginners, I think. I'm not sure how far is the slope, but yeah. And those are going to that there, and going down there. This is really good sample. Slow down a little bit here, and now this is the tricky part. I think I can manage here. Not too. 79. Alright, that's the end of it. But the sun now. It's not that bad. I believe you. So this is how it's Scout Trail. I hike it first. And barefoot. So, I don't know guys, you want to go here. But definitely is start taking out those chickens out for your breast. The cat came out from there all the way down right here. Now this is hiking, not biking. So this is a different route. Going back. Let's go back here.